Find or read reviews that people are talking about Dessiz Digital Control Compact Laundry Dryer. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Space-friendly, small and lightweight design, making it suitable for use in small spaces such as RVs and apartments. It can also serve as a supplemental dryer for existing laundry machines. Excellent drying abilities. With 10 pounds capacity and 850 watts power, it delivers excellent drying performance every time, ensuring that your clothes are dry and ready to wear in no time at all. Easy to use, knob-designed button, which makes the clothes dryer operation simple and easy to use without being overly complex. Quite a performance, it runs at approximately only 60 decibels, making it exceptionally quiet during operation. Its perceived loudness can vary depending on the ambient noise level in the environment. The perfect addition to small spaces such as apartments or as a second dryer for your home. Its compact size makes it easy to fit into any space, while its powerful performance ensures your laundry dries quickly and efficiently. Moreover, with its built-in UV sterilization technology, you can be confident that your baby's clothes are thoroughly sanitized and safe for use. Say goodbye to damp, musty clothes and hello to fresh, clean laundry with our reliable and convenient dryer. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.